Comprehensive kayak carts comparison. Kayak carts are essential tools for paddlers looking to transport their watercraft with ease. Whether you're navigating sandy beaches, rocky trails, or grassy shorelines, a reliable kayak cart can save you time, effort, and potential strain on your body. In this article, the Rad Sports Kayak Cart offers a solid balance of affordability and functionality. With a 150-pound weight capacity, it is suitable for most kayaks, paddleboards, and canoes. Its airless polyurethane tires ensure puncture-proof performance, making it ideal for varied terrains like parking lots, trails, and beaches. The foldable aluminum frame is lightweight yet sturdy, and the included mesh carry bag adds convenience for storage and transport. During testing, the Rad Sports Cart demonstrated reliable stability, thanks to its double kickstand and rubber cushioning. However, the tie-down straps could be more robust, as they showed slight movement during transport. This cart is best suited for recreational users who prioritize portability and ease of use over heavy-duty performance. The Bonlo Kayak Cart stands out as the budget option, offering solid performance at an entry-level price. Its 200-pound weight capacity is impressive for its price point, and the aluminum alloy frame ensures durability without adding excessive weight. The solid PU tires are odor-free and capable of handling sand, grass, and rough terrain effectively, while the Bonlo cart is functional. Its foam bumpers and spring-loaded stand provide only moderate protection and stability. The ratchet straps included are adequate, but may require adjustment for larger or heavier kayaks. This cart is ideal for casual paddlers who want a cost-effective solution for occasional use. The GAN Find X heavy-duty kayak cart is a robust option designed for demanding users. With a massive 450-pound weight capacity, it can easily handle larger kayaks and canoes. Its adjustable width accommodates a variety of watercraft sizes, while the detachable assembly makes storage and transport hassle-free. The included webbing straps ensure secure fastening during transit. In testing, this cart excelled in stability and durability, even under heavy loads. Its lightweight aluminum frame and compact design make it surprisingly easy to maneuver. However, its higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. This cart is best suited for frequent paddlers with larger or heavier kayaks who need a reliable, heavy-duty solution. 4. The premium GAN Find X multi-style kayak cart combines heavy-duty performance with thoughtful design features. Its adjustable width dolly and durable wheels make it versatile for transporting kayaks, canoes, and paddleboards over rough terrains like sand and gravel. The folding design enhances portability, while the tie-down straps provide secure transport. This cart performed well in all conditions, showcasing smooth rolling and excellent stability. Its higher weight and bulk, however, might make it less appealing for users prioritizing lightweight portability. This model is ideal for paddlers who want a premium, durable cart for frequent use in challenging environments. 5. The Valen Lyra Kayak Cart offers a balanced blend of durability and convenience. Its aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame is both lightweight and corrosion-resistant, making it ideal for all-season use. The oversized solid rubber tires excel on rugged terrains, while the quick-release foldable design allows for compact storage. This cart impressed with its ability to handle sand, rocks, and mud without sinking or slipping. The included heavy-duty straps provided excellent security during transport. While not the cheapest option, its performance and durability make it a worthwhile investment for serious paddlers.